guys, welcome to my channel. Last summer I traveled to Thailand with my friend Kenny, and for the first time we had mango sticky rice. Because we're still in mango season, so today we are going to learn how to make this very popular Thai dish. Let's get cooking. So for the sticky rice, we're gonna start with the rice. Put it in a bowl, wash it like 3 to 4 times until you take out all the excess starch, and then after we're gonna soak it for about 6 hours. So we can just leave it on the side, leave it alone. We start with about 2 cups of coconut milk. Let's add the sugar, cinnamon stick, the Anise Star, and a few kaffir leaf. And we're gonna make sure we stir the sugar to dissolve it. 2 cups of water. Add cinnamon stick, star anise, and the kaffir leaf, and then add the rice. Cover, and then bring to a boil and then let it cook on low heat. Yeah, that's good. Coconut cream, we're gonna add some to the rice. Mixed together. It's good. Bring me back to Thailand.
Wait, how do you stretch?
And you're gonna have to use.
You still don't know! I'm gonna hit you out! Boy, I'm gonna hit you out!